Root canal, cost comparison with Europe and Turkey. Root canals are a typical treatment for dental patients that almost everyone will require at some moment during their lifetime. The procedure is for repairing and saving the tooth which is severely affected or has been damaged. But the price of root canal procedures can be different in relation to where you travel to undergo the procedure. The video below will look at the price of root canals across Europe as well as Turkey, two well-known tourism destinations for dentistry, in order to assist you in making the right choice on the best place to go for your dental procedure. Europe. In Europe, it is possible to find that the price of the procedure can differ dramatically based on which country the patient is located within. The cost for the procedure within Europe is ranging between €300 up to $1,000, with the typical cost is about €500. States like Germany, France, and the UK generally have more expensive prices for dental services compared with Eastern European countries like Hungary and Poland. Turkey. Turkey has been a well-known location for dental tourism recently due to high-end dental services for a reasonable price. Cost of getting a root canal Turkey is much lower when compared to Europe, as prices vary between €100 up to €300. This means that Turkey is an economical choice for people who are seeking dental procedures, which includes root canals. Cost comparison. In comparing the price of root canals among Europe and Turkey, it's clear that Turkey provides lower costs in dental treatment. The cost savings for the root canals offered in Turkey could be due to lower operating expenses along with lower costs for labor and lower costs of living when compared with European nations. Apart from cost reductions, in addition to cost savings, several dental clinics are also cost-effective. Many dental clinics in Turkey have modern facilities that feature state-of-the-art equipment and highly trained dental professionals capable of performing root canals in a precise manner and with treatment. Patients can be assured of similar quality care in Turkey that they can expect in Europe and with a fraction of expense. Factors to consider. Although price is an important element to think about when selecting which dental clinic to go to for a root canal, there are other elements to be considered too. They include the level of treatment, the knowledge of dental experts, as well as the reputation of the facility and overall encounter. Prior to deciding where you'll receive the root canal treatment you need before you decide on a location for your root canal treatment, look into different dental practices, review reviews by former patients, and request to get recommendations from family or friends. Relatives. This can help you make an informed choice and will ensure that you receive top-quality dentistry at a low cost. In the end, the price for root canals in Europe as well as Turkey is quite different in both countries, with Turkey having lower costs in dental treatment. If you're considering the root canal treatment, Turkey may be an economical option to look into. When you research different dental practices as well as weighing all the elements discussed above, you'll be able to make a well-informed decision and enjoy top-quality dental services with a minimal expense.